Hey, are you going to the castle too, Rufus?
No.
Just headed off in that direction.
You like suddenly think the kid's gonna join you, so you're like, no, I'm going to the mall.
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah.
I wanted somebody to walk with, but I'll just walk alone.
His voice gets more distant as you're running away.
Yeah.
I guess I'll just be alright.
And then you like turn, but you like look back, and then you turn back around. And he's like,
Hey, mister!
and you're like, oh!
Jesus!